Welcome to Founders Green. Founders Green is a complex for first-year and transfer students that includes apartments and artist studios, a grill-style dining facility, large auditorium, black box theater, laundry rooms, mail center, and a large courtyard. This is La Trobe House. It's the main entryway to Founders Green. Here you will find the security desk, mailroom, and residence life's main office on the second floor. The MICA shuttle, which will take you to locations both on and off the campus, has a stop just outside. The Founders Green complex has 4 residential buildings: Carter Hall, Spear Hall, Glaze Hall, and Leek Hall. Carter, Spear, and Glaze are all connected by a large central green space. On nice days, you will see students playing sports, holding activities, and gatherings, as well as just hanging out and relaxing. Glaze Hall also features Glaze Grill, a late-night dining hall, the laundry room, and artist studios that students can reserve on bi-weekly basis.
Leek Hall is specifically designated for students in the first-year Fellows Program, who participate in a living, learning community and also accommodates transfer students. Here you'll also find the Leek Lecture Hall, the Make Cool Stuff Lab, more artist studios, and A-Box, which is a black box style flex space for meetings, community events, movement, and more. Housing in Founders Green is apartment style with 2 to 4 bedroom units accommodating 3 to 4 students each, with various combinations of single and double occupancy bedrooms. Every apartment has extra long twin beds, a wardrobe, Homosoap boards on the walls to hang your art, a kitchen table with chairs, a couch and end tables, stove, oven, refrigerator, and free Wi-Fi.
Thanks for checking out Founders Green. For more information about residence life at MICA and to schedule a visit, check out our website at www.mica.edu.